Good morning, welcome everybody. It's Sunday, the 12th of September 2021, and I'm here to do the daily intuitive reading. And today I'm using Healing with the Fairies Oracle cards. Let's just see what the cards have to offer us today. Okay. First card is Beauty. Second card, Magic of Nature. And the third card, New Opportunity. Okay, quite clear and simple cards today. Beauty. Okay, this is a really good card to come up today too, because most of us will have the time, and that's about taking care of yourself, doing things that really make you feel good about yourself. Have a massage, have a nice long soak in a bath, do your hair, have a pedicure, rub in some body lotion into your body. Just really nurture and look after yourself totally. Look after all your bodies and just acknowledge your own beauty. We're all beautiful in our own way, and we need to acknowledge and recognise that. It's very easy for us to be self-critical, but it's like honour myself day today. Look in the mirror and see your inner light radiating from you, and look at both your inner and your outer beauty. And just look in the mirror and tell yourself you love yourself and how grateful you are for all the beauty that exists in your body, how amazing your body is, how it functions, how it just works without you even having to think about it. The beauty in your eyes that radiates from your eyes, the sun in your hair and making it shine. Just acknowledge how amazing and beautiful you are, and also connect with the beauty of Mother Nature. Go and sit in the sun for a little while if you can, if that's your thing. If you don't like the sun, try and go for a walk in nature. Sit by a stream and put your fingers through and let the water flow. Your fingers round your fingers. Listen to the birds in the trees. Go and sit by the ocean and listen to the waves breaking on the shore. Walk along and look at the seashells washed up along the shoreline. Or the waves breaking on the rocks and looking at the rock pools. Just whatever form of nature that you like to be in, that you specifically enjoy. Take some time out to do that today. And just connect with the beauty of nature as well. And if we become disconnected from nature, we can very easily become depressed and feel heavy and weighed down. But even, if we get up early in the morning and watch the sun rise, a little bit late now, the sun's already up. In my part of the world, but in your part of the world, if it isn't, then it's really lovely to sit and watch the sun come up. And that's a lovely way to connect with nature and breathe that energy in. Or you can sit and watch the sunset this evening, just get comfy in a comfy chair and just slowly watch the sun go down, and the skies darken and the stars starting to appear, and just really breathe that in too. Whatever you enjoy most about nature, connect with it today and connect with its beauty, and let nature connect with your beauty, and recognise the beauty in both you and nature. Don't be critical of yourself. Nature's saying everything is beautiful, even though some things might on the exterior not appear to us to be beautiful, but when we look at how they function and what they can do, it's really quite amazing, and you too are a creature of beauty. So acknowledge that to yourself. Just a little affirmation. I watch my beauty, my light shine from within and out, and notice that those around me are drawn to my beauty, and acknowledge it. I am a beautiful soul. And just really give yourself a hug, put your arms around you and tell yourself you love yourself and that you are worthy and beautiful. And there's a wonderful world waiting out there. So recognise your beauty, and others around you will see and recognise it too. And it will bring you great joy, because there are many forms of beauty. And you're at the moment, it's about nurturing yourself, acknowledging your beauty, loving yourself, and giving yourself the loving care that you normally would give to everybody else, but don't have time or take time out to give to yourself. Take time in nature, and then there's new opportunities opening, coming your way. It might come in an unusual way. There might be some form of loss, but it ends up in a gain. It could be a windfall coming your way, but there's good fortune in the future. Something really lovely and supportive and healthy and wealthy coming towards you. So it could be a new position. You might decide to start a new business on that side of it. On the other side of it, you may start to do something new and creative. You may connect with a group of people that have like-minded people that have the same values and mindsets as yourself, that will be really supportive and nurturing to you. And you'll really, really enjoy it. You might connect with something that's really a passion, and it may become your support, your way of earning as well, or it may just be something that really gives you pleasure and will give you an uplift in your life. But it's a golden opportunity. It could be a little windfall on the lotto, but there's something quite amazing about to come into your life, and you'll be rewarded in some way. So it's really nice, actually. So look after yourself, have a really wonderful, nurturing day, make time for yourself, acknowledge your beauty, acknowledge the beauty of nature, and look forward to the wonderful opportunities, new opportunities and surprises that are coming your way in the near future. Okay, let's do the moon card now. See what the moon card has to offer us. go. What have we got here? Cards. And I assess matters carefully and discern wisely. I assess matters carefully and I discern wisely. Okay. The moon card for today. Okay, there's another one popped out. Oh, there's two, so I'm going to actually read that one as well. I feel we need that. So that's the card, and the words are my words and actions of beauty, compassion, and love. My words and actions are of beauty, compassion, and love. Okay, that's why that one had to come out. Compassion and love for ourselves. We only speak kind and loving. We have kind and loving thoughts and words for ourselves and for others around us today. Very important. Now we'll do the Dalai Lama, words of wisdom. Let's see what he has to offer today. Okay. This one's jumped out at us. So that's the card, bright yellow, happy yellow. And it says, developing a kind heart does not involve any of the sentimental, religiously, normally associated with it. It is for everyone, irrespective of race, religion, political affiliation. It is for anyone who considers themselves a member of the human family. Developing a kind heart does not involve any of the sentimental, religiosity normally associated with it. It is for everyone, irrespective of race, religion, or political affiliation. It is for anyone who considers themselves a member of the human family. Okay, so love and compassion is there for all of us. Give it to yourself. Okay, that's it for today. Hope that was helpful. Have a wonderful Sunday. Have a beautiful Sunday and enjoy yourself if you found this helpful. Or like it, hit the thumbs up, subscribe and share. And I will be back to talk to you again tomorrow with the daily reading. Have a wonderful day. Love and blessings, Kath.